Question 16 on application of percentages to real-life situation reads, in a passenger bus, 50% of the passengers are adults, 60% of the adults are men, the total number of passengers is 40. How many of the passengers are women? And B, how many of the passengers are children? Just like I always say, the first step in solving a problem is understanding the problem. So let's fish out the parameters as given in the question. In the passenger bus, 50% of the passengers are adults. So I will say adults, percentage of adults is equal to 50%. 60% of the adults are men. So percentage of men is equal to 60% of adults. That means for us to get the percentage of men or the number of men in that bus, we must first of all know the percentage of adults. Now, that the total number of passengers is 40. So total passengers, they are said to be equal to 40 in number. Now, how many of the passengers are women? A, that we should find women. That's the numbers that are women. Okay, so let's see what we can get from the question. That in a passenger bus, 50% of the passengers are adults. That includes both men and women. While 60% of the adults are men, and the total number of passengers is 40. How many of the passengers are women? So let's see. If the total passengers are said to be 40, and 50% of the total passengers are said to be adults, it therefore means that 50%, which is half of the total passengers, are adults. It therefore means that 20 passengers are said to be adults. And if 20 passengers are said to be adults, for the adults, we have adult male and adult females. So if 60% of the adults are men, then what is the actual number of men that we have? So men, in this context, is said to be 60%. So we have 60 over 100 times 20 over 1. So this is said to be, therefore means that we have 12 passengers that are men. Now, if 12 of them are men, 12 out of 20 are men, then how many are women? So number of women will be equal to adults minus men. And we have the adults to be 20 and the men to be 12. So therefore, the number of women are said to be 8 passengers. So 8 of the passengers are said to be women. B says, how many are children? Children may be male or female, of which we have it that 50% are adults. So it therefore means that the other 50 are children. So if 50 is said to be 20, then B, we have it that children will be equal to 50% of the total number, which is 40, and 50% of the total number is said to be 50 over 100 times 40 over 1, which gave us 20 passengers. So 20 passengers are said to be children. So this is your answer. We have answered the number of passengers that are women, and that of children. Let me know how you feel about this question in the comment section. Can you like my videos as you watch? While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall now take more exercises on application of percentages to real life situation. Question number